Yo, what is happening, freaks? Galactic Criminal here, and I'm back with some more Fable 3. It's been a couple weeks since that first video. I put, I'd say, a handful of hours into this thing since then, you know, when I can, and it's been enjoyable every single time. Combat is fun and simple, but also kind of complicated at times, depending on the enemy types and how many there are. It's been a hell of a lot of fun, and we're gonna have some more fun right now. I don't remember what the next mission was, though, where we were headed. But we just follow the nice little trail all the way there. Okay.
How's it going then?
Go into the seedy underbelly. Yeah, dig spot. Is it somewhere with dirt? How did you find that shit all the fucking way over here? Dig, 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 dig. It's usually worth it to stop and do, these dig things if you can.
Keep it in,
Because you get stuff. Sometimes money, sometimes potions. But usually something worthwhile the couple of seconds.
Somewhere beyond this door is the base of the Bowerstone Resistance. Ready when you are.
Oh, we are going to the sewers. Okay. The seedy underbelly. This should be interesting.
I really love how much time we're spending in caves.
Yeah, me
and
too.
sewers these days. No, really. I should warn you. I don't know what kind of reception we'll get. I know their leader well enough, but it was never safe for me.
Oh, I cut him off, apparently. Ooh, fun.
Hello!
Hello.
Maybe we've got the wrong place. Let's, get out. Don't move.
Uh-oh. We're surrounded.
We won't move if you won't shoot. Deal?
You'd better tell your friend that.
It's all right. Just do as he says.
Who are you?
None of your
What are you doing
beeswax.
I'm Walter, and this is, well, that really doesn't matter right now. We're here to speak with Paige.
I say we shoot.
Listen, we're on your side. Just hear us out.
here? We don't make deals with spies.
Uh-oh.
Shoot!
Wait!
Put your weapons down.
Ooh.
I thought I gave you
Who's
the advantage,
this?
Sorry, Paige. Gotta be carried away.
kid. Walter,
Look at those
glad
hips
you're
moving.
around.
And I'm glad you came in when you did.
I wasn't exactly expecting
Oh, she's
you.
hot,
Let's
too.
go somewhere a bit more private.
I know it's a cartoon. Get over it. They made her walk like that on purpose. Him too. Look at him. The sway to his walk. Got some swagger.
I had this whole plan, you see.
Can I steal anything?
But well, we ended up leaving the castle earlier than I thought.
I heard. Pity. Your messages were always useful.
I can offer you something
like what?
better.
Like, what? Where do I go? Where do I stand? Stand here. Another one of these tables.
Paige, I'd like you to meet.
I know who he is. I thought you'd know better than to bring the prince here.
He's not just a prince. He's a hero.
Great. Give him a medal.
No, I mean he's a hero. Like his father.
Really? It doesn't change anything. Your brother is the
Blah,
reason
blah,
we live
blah.
underground. He's the reason we fight. How do we know he's any better?
Let him prove it.
It's not just me he needs to convince. The people of this city need someone they can believe in. Prove to them that they should follow you, then we'll talk. For now, I have work to do.
Looks like you have work to do too. You have a whole city to inspire.
Oh boy. Going back to the road. Road to rule. So I gotta get her on my side now. I got a whole bunch of people already forming an army for me. I fought this mercenary guy, first boss. That was insane. It was a great fight. It was challenging.
Today you have met the true
Look at 'em all.
voice of the people of this city. It is imperative that you win Paige and her resistance movement
Sure.
to your cause. And just as important that you prove to Bowerstone that you can be its rightful ruler.
What do I got? What do I got? Ooh. You know what? Yeah, I use magic more often than, melee or ranged. Whee! I think last time I was playing, I equipped Lightning Gauntlet with the Flame one, but I don't think I used it. So I don't exactly know how the dual wielding works. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah, there's a lot of this shit that I'm just not gonna get. I don't feel like I need. If later on I feel like I need that kind of stuff, then I'll get it. But like being able to add color to my clothes, or like buy a store or some shit like that, I don't need any of that. Maybe once I've like gotten to the end of the road to rule, I can go back and do some of that stuff if I'm still interested in sticking with the game.
It would seem your heroism must be put to the test once again, sir. May I suggest that you return to the sanctuary and inspect the map? There appear to be numerous opportunities available.
Sure, let's try that.
Welcome to the sanctuary. I can't see a way to proceed without first gathering more followers, and I believe there are...
Okay. Who's this guy? Okay. I mean, I could have scanned the entire town and just kind of like been picky choosy, but I thought, yeah, let's pick the first one that I can find. So I need 100 seals to win them over. I can do that. I'm pretty great in all that stuff. I was using the rifle before. I switched to...
I'm very sorry, but I'm afraid you'll have to go somewhere else tonight.
Somewhere else? And where would that be exactly? Every other place being closed down. And I'll freeze to death on the streets. And that's if Logan's goons don't bash my skull in first.
But you think you're the only one who has problems? I'm sorry. I'm just, Look, I wish I could help you, but I can't.
Might as well go to
I hope you're not looking for somewhere to
Gonna wind up
stay,
there soon
because this
anyway.
place is about to close. For good. I have no choice. And it's about time those thugs faced justice. The rough kind. They've been harassing the local homeless for weeks. But now this is outrageous. I know where they are. They demanded I bring them the ransom in a week's time. But I'll bring them something better.
Like what? Come on. Dig. Dig. Diggy, diggy hole. I wish the animation didn't take so long every single time. Wow! 250 gold? Well, hey, that can go far.
Laszlo, you just cost me a bit of gold, mate. I bet old Harry'd take you the full week to get the money. You're an industrious one, ain't you?
Just open the bloody door, Keith. Let's have done with this.
Right, Mr. Ferret's down those stairs. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hang on. Who's your friend?
In your parlance, he's the bagman. And that gold doesn't leave his hands until my fiance's walked out of your fetid little den.
All right, no need to get all uppity. You just watch yourself around, Mr. Ferret, or things will get unfriendly fast.
Blah, blah, blah. Yakety schmackety. I can handle anything. Oh. Looks like a great place for a fight. Yeah, look at all these guys. There's no way that I'm not fighting all these dudes.
Oh, Laszlo. I cannot tell you how elated I am to have this unfortunate situation brought to a satisfying resolution. Your associate can dispense with his burden by piling the funds upon the table.
There's no gold, Ferret. Now you cough up my fiancée from whatever filthy corner you're keeping her in, or my associate is going to start collecting heads and piling them
right
on the table.
My initial judgment of your character was clearly misguided. You possess some heart after all. Lads, tear it out.
Oh boy.
It's hardly worth killing you.
You cock.
Ooh, nice spray of blood. Keep banging away at them.
Ha! Ha! I fucking hate the lightning. The lightning is... I don't like it.
The armory is at your disposal. Ah, you have impeccable taste in gore.
How does that feel? Beating up on my friends, eh?
Jesus. I didn't even realize just how bad. The lightning just did not feel right. Where's the treasure? You're an idiot.
Your men are dead, Ferret. Unless you want to join them, let us in.
It's open!
Yep, they're all dead. And?
You brought this
They're
on
not
yourself.
even aiming it at him.
This didn't have to happen.
Well, it still doesn't. We merely got off on the wrong foot. I'm no threat to you without my men, and I'm only too happy to return your fiancée. I can be quite...
Is that so?
Get on with it then.
Well, the thing is, she's actually not on the premises exactly.
What does that mean?
At the present time. She's incarcerated within a nearby facility, shall we say. That access hatch will provide you with, well, access.
The sewer? You fellas are a sophisticated lot. Please, go and get her. I'll keep an eye on Ferret.
A gun.
Boy.
You did mischaracterize
So we're...
you.
Yeah, well, I live in a
Oh,
bad
great.
neighborhood.
Sure.
I wonder whose fault.
Elise.
It's so broken. Wait a minute.
I thought you were...
She's my fiance.
I thought you were gone. Do you know how hard I've tried to forget you?
I never forgot you.
The last time I saw you, that day in the throne room.
That
was the
wasn't
most
that
horrific
fucking
day of
long
my
ago.
life.
Today's not going to be great either if we don't get you out of here. Come on.
I really don't feel like it was that long ago. There we go. Holding hands. Yeah, she's my lady. What's she doing with that guy? Dude's a loser. I'm way better. So cool.
I can't do this. You can't save me again, like that day.
This isn't like that. This time, no one gets hurt.
Just when I think I have everything sorted out, you come back into my life.
Oh shit, that actually... that actually worked. Oh. Cool. Hold my hand, woman. I was like, there's, I like kind of just glimpsed that in the corner of my eyes. Like, oh, there's, maybe that'll fucking break if I hit it.
Watch out!
For what? Is it bats? Why bats? All right.
Is that all of them? You were amazing.
Really? Do you say? Oh, just fucking hold the hands. I haven't actually done that since the beginning episode that I did.
I've never seen anything like that. It was like something out of
Out of what?
Walter's stories about your father. You're a hero.
It's not all it's cracked up
No.
to be, believe me.
Things are becoming clearer to me now. When Logan started to behave so appallingly, I told myself he wanted to prove his strength by seeing off a few agitators.
Ooh, what do we got? Goblins? Whoa! Whoa! Wah! Wah! Oh, fuck! Yeah, you're fucking dead. Ah. Eat shit. Oh, the little gun flare that he did there before he opened the chest. It's cool. Oh, shit. And a dig spot. Okay. All the goodies. Give me all the goodies. Nice. It's over 1,000 gold in one spot. Okay, moving on. I don't know if this, like, holding her hand helps, like, our relationship or something, but I'll keep doing it just in case. Oh, fuck, what now? Oh! 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 Why can't I fucking dodge anymore? Oh! That's right. Why did it tell me to press A on that? Fucking damn it. Get out of my way, dum-dum. Oh, I can just open the cage. Okay, that makes a whole lot of sense. That makes a whole lot of nonsense. Moving on. The cave sections are really interesting.
Thank you for saving me. I don't just mean today. I should have thanked you back in the throne room, but I just felt so guilty.
I made the choice that day.
And I hated you for it. Feeling that those people died because
Well,
it was awful beyond words. But there was something worse. Deep inside. I felt happy. I felt happy, even as they were dragged away, that I was still alive.
Yeah, 'cause you suck.
I'm so sorry.
You have nothing to be sorry for. Anybody would feel what you did. It was an appalling situation. And the only one to blame for it is Logan.
Well, now that I've said that, thank you.
You're welcome. Should be almost back to Laszlo.
Oh, bloody hell, Laszlo. What am I gonna say to him?
Oh, she didn't like him very much. I mean, if I had spared the people, he would have killed the people anyway, just to prove a point. So that's why I saved her. He's less likely to kill her. She's like a lady or what have you. Either way, those people were gonna die.
Wait, I
Like
have to tell
what?
you something. Laszlo is the most... well, he's the second most amazing man I've ever met. He started that shelter from nothing, and he keeps it going despite Ferret and Reaver. Working with him felt right after all those years in the castle, doing nothing. Then somehow it became about more than one.
Oh yeah?
I felt something I hadn't since you. And now you're back.
From outer space!
Ugh, this is maddening. Here I am pouring my heart out and you haven't said anything. Do you want to give me a consoling hug and say, do the honorable thing? Or grab me and kiss me and tell me to come
Ooh,
back?
you know what I'm gonna pick? Dump him.
You said you tried to forget me. And I understand why. But I'm back now.
From outer space. Ew. That didn't sound right.
And I'm so glad you are. Listen, I need time to break it to Laszlo. Please, say nothing now, then find me at the shelter in a few days and we'll be together. I love you. I can't believe you came down here and found me. You of all...
Hey now, what was that? What does that mean? And you just straight up cheated on your fiance. What's to say that you won't do that to me?
Laszlo!
Is he dead? Or is he sleeping? Sounded like he was snoring.
Billy.
Why?
Oh, my head. That weasel, Nigel Ferret, must have struck me when my back was turned.
Why'd you turn your back? You had a
Thank
gun!
goodness you're all right.
You fucking loser. You had one job.
You saved the love of my life. I'm forever in your debt. Thank you for everything.
You fucking loser.
I was so worried about you.
I'm here now.
I love you.
I love you too.
Really? You fucking dick. Whatever, fucking... What else is there around here? Is there nothing? That still counts, right? As the same area where I have to collect that many? I think it does.
It's time to spend...
Whoa. Interesting. Do some wizard shit.
So, are we all set for tonight?
I've double-checked every bit of it.
I don't believe it. You're a hero. I mean,
Yeah,
a
sure.
real hero.
Whatever you say. What? What is happening? What is happening?
The hero wakes. Long had he harbored thoughts of vengeance against the evil Baron.
Get on with it.
Philistine. So it was that the hero came to the little village of Lightwater, a pretty hamlet nestling under the brooding battlements of the evil Baron's castle.
It's a very pretty village.
Our hero resolved to talk to the townsfolk and see what he could find out about the missing princess.
You're kidding, right? If the hero starts talking to all... Excellent. The hero's gonna talk to Arturo. Now we can get things moving.
Is this like D&D?
Greetings, stranger. I can see from your good looks and heroic demeanor that you must be on a quest to rescue the princess. I saw her yesterday, carried off by the Baron's evil servants, a troop of hobs. They took her through this gate to the castle on the hill.
What, that's it? No clues to solve or anything?
Well, the hero has to figure out how to get up the hill.
You mean like by climbing it?
Hey, no spoilers.
Spoilers. How about that?
The hero decided to investigate the eerie tower on the hill.
Ooh, pretty.
It's not very eerie, though, is it? Ben, you did.
I mean, it's kind of eerie.
Yeah, but I thought you said pretty.
What kind of adventure has a pretty tower on a hill?
Be quiet, you two. I'll deal with this.
Okay.
Ah, now you tell.
Get fucked. Yeah, that's what I thought. Light work.
So the hero slew the last of the wolves, which had proven to be a mighty challenge, and far more exciting than rabbits.
Yeah, bit predictable though.
The novelty of the rabbits wears off a bit when you realise you can't fight them, though, doesn't it?
Yeah, I mastered killing wolves a long time ago.
The hero entered the Baron's factory.
Teddy bears.
What?
What are teddy bears doing here?
Aren't they sweet? I put them in. Nice, eh?
Yeah, they are. They are nice. You know what we don't want in the evil Baron's castle? Anything nice.
Shh! Here come the princess and the Baron.
Help! Oh, somebody please help! I've been kidnapped by the evil Baron!
I am the evil Baron, and the princess shall be my wife. And all these bears will, well, they'll do evil stuff. For they are evil teddy bears.
I shall never marry you!
Oh, she's spirited like that.
Okay. That was creepy. I like that. Ooh, treasure! Where's my doggo?
What? The wise old man suddenly appeared.
Well, I didn't want that.
Riddle me, read! Oh no, not one of your puzzles. They're far too hard. Just let him open the chest.
If all trimps are trumps, and all trumps are trumps, then all trimps are definitely trumps. True or false?
Fuck you.
Actually, that's rather easy.
Oh, just give him the sword.
You ruined my puzzle. Took me
I got a new
ages to
sword?
work that out, and now he's got the sword far too easily. Should have been much
Cool.
harder.
Oh yeah, that's cool looking. I think I'll actually keep that. I mean, as long as it's got, as long as it's stronger than my other one. What's this? I'll pull it. Sure. Fuck. I don't care. What's the worst that can happen?
Okay, who set up the lever?
I thought you did.
Well, I thought it was Jim's job.
Quick, let's make something up.
Well, how about it releases a cloud of lovely butterflies?
Worst game ever. I'm serious.
Well, how about a standard Hollow Man encounter?
Yeah, let's have some
whatever.
action.
That's what you want to do. Oh, shit! What the fuck? That's right, I am fucking great! Ow, fuck! I can't see! Fuck! Ha ha ha! Quit in yourself! Missed. Totally missed. Fuck. Die already. Fucking cunt.
The Hollow Men vanquished, the hero ventured on.
He sure did.
Foolish hero, your pursuit ends here, for you will be devoured by the killer monsters of this ravine.
I don't think so. Methinks probably not. 'Cause I'm super great. Is that lava or water? We gonna get bad guys? Okay. I thought I remembered there being like glowing blue orbs and like more of those hollow guys would show up. Uh-oh.
And the killer monsters are... chickens? A chicken?
Yes, I thought it was time to put in something cute, but also to make us think about our relationship with food and that.
Bloody hell, Ben, you... Wait, let me fix it.
Oh, what's it gonna be?
There. This is no ordinary chicken. It's a fire-breathing demon chicken.
Whatever you say. Really? That's what we're going with? Oh, shit!
Hero was done for that time. This is murder most foul. Oh, come on, guys, that was... Oh, whatever.
Fuck, they're fucking me up.
That was just gross.
They got fucking good aim, man. Shit.
That could lead to a nasty infection. I kind of feel bad for him.
And so the mighty hero triumphed over the fire-breathing demonic...
chickens.
Chickens?
Of doom!
Anyway, on he ran, seeking a way out of these dark and gloomy caverns.
Yep, that's the title. Demonic Chickens of Doom.
The hero emerged into the light to find the evil Baron at bay.
Oh shit, look at it. Okay, so I'm in like...
Help me, hero. You're my only hope.
I, the Baron, shall tolerate your meddling no longer. My elite hob guard will take
So they're just playing Dungeons and Dragons.
They hunger
like the thing.
human flesh.
I'm wearing the hat too. I need more space. Oh.
This cannot be.
Ow. Fuck.
Stop that hob killing.
Shit. Shit. Oh, that was awesome!
Stop that hob killing! Blast you!
It just keeps spawning them! Ow!
Kill them all, aren't you?
I didn't want to do that.
I almost feel sorry for the little blighters. You're going to kill them all, aren't you?
Fucking cock. That was a lot. I fought a lot more though. Jump down, dum-dum.
Be a sport.
Are we doing this again?
Kill you.
Fuck.
That's it. Kill him.
Die!
Let them kill you. This cannot be.
Die! Fuck! Fuck! Fuck!
My underlings will destroy you utterly.
Oh shit! They're everywhere!
No match for my home guard, you filthy beggar.
Fucking ow! Fucking really?
Surely you can't beat these cards. Down.
Ow!
Damn you!
Fuck!
My underlings will destroy you.
Die!
These hobs are no match for a hero like you. I almost feel...
Fuck!
The Baron's elite guards lay at the hero's feet. Nothing now stood between him and the evil Baron.
I challenge you to personal combat, hero. But know that I am immune to all weapons save one. A magic sword. That is the bane of my existence. which there's no way you could possibly have. The sword! The Bane sword! It cannot be! No! I am slain!
What kind of rubbish game lets you kill the villain in one blow?
Well, you gave the hero that Baron's Bane sword.
Yeah, but it wasn't supposed to be so easy to get.
Oh, give it a rest, will you, please? Come on, back to the game.
Hero, thank you for saving me. How can I ever repay you?
I can think of something.
Yeah, the hero kisses
You wanna kiss
the
that?
princess.
But only because she wants him to, being a strong, self-confident woman who chooses her own destiny.
Yeah. Weird.
And they both lived happily ever after?
They would have, but the Baron had poisoned the princess and she died an
Oh.
excruciating death. Her inhuman death shrieks tormented a local stable boy who grew up to be a vicious serial killer. And cannibal.
You're sick, Jim. Why do you always want to kill everything? Why can't we just have a happy ending?
That is a happy ending.
I'm with Ben. They both lived happily ever after, and there was little to no cannibalism.
Oh, great. Yeah, I've never seen that before.
Weird. Well, that was a bit of a stressful bit of combat. That's what I'm talking about. It's like the combat is simple, but they give you scenarios in which you have to like utilize it better than, you know what I'm saying.
Great work, my friend. You were fantastic.
You have to be the best hero of all time. I'm going to have my bard stroke sorcerer compose a song about
Cool.
you.
Whatever.
We bestow upon you the title of Honorary Master of Dungeon.
Well, I don't need very many more now.
Well,
Sure
that went
did.
well, don't you think?
Uh-huh, good bit of gaming, that. When's the next session?
They were playing
Time
Dungeons
next
and
week.
Dragons.
Hang on, where's the orb?
Which orb?
Which orb? How many orbs have we got? The orb of interplanar transference.
I think that hero kept it.
Oh. Hey, probably just as well. For a magical artifact of unfathomable power, it was a bit rubbish.
They were playing Dungeons and Dragons. I mean, this game is full, as far as I've seen, full of just very, very quirky and fun side quests and stuff. And the story is kind of interesting so far as well. I'm definitely having a good time with this one. I will most certainly be finishing this game all the way to the end. Until next time, have yourself a fantastic evening.